Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to add loyalty card to Google Wallet on INFINIX Zero 40. Firstly, open up Google Wallet, which I don't have, so let's go into Google Play Store, tap on search bar, and wallet. Install Google Wallet. Once your installation has succeeded, you can open the app. Now tap on Add to Wallet in the bottom right corner. Loyalty card. Choose from which company you would like to add a loyalty card. Now either scan the barcode or enter your member's ID manually by tapping on Enter Manually, and here enter your member ID. Then just tap on Add to Wallet, and that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.